Assalamu alaikum to all of my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. So today we are again here with the lecture of physics part 2, SSC part 2, the SLO number 10.1.2, that is about explain SHM with simple pendulum, ball and bowl examples. So in last lecture we were discussing about the concept of oscillatory motion, periodic motion in the terms associated with the vibratory motion. So in this lecture we will be discussing the concept of SHM along with some suitable examples, right? So first of all, let's have a concept of SHM. What is SHM, by the way? SHM is the acronym for simple harmonic motion, which is nothing but the special type of oscillatory motion having elastic restoring force. So we can understand its concept with the two practical examples. First one is from simple pendulum. So what is simple pendulum? Simple pendulum consisted of a ball which is attached to the string of length L, which is further fixed at the upper end of the pivot, right? So you can see here as a simple pendulum, initially at position O, on its mean position, the motion of this bob is stationary, means the upward and downward forces are same. So the total weight of the bob acting downward is equal to the upward forces, right? So what happens when we slightly displace this bob from its mean position towards A, due to its elastic restoring force, it bounces back towards mean position, right? And due to its inertial force, due to its inertia, it continues to move towards another extreme position, which is B. So while arriving at position B, it stops for a while and again it starts to move along position A, right, due to the elastic restoring force and gravitational forces, right? So again at position O, it again starts to slide towards position A, right? So this bob continues its to and fro motion along both of the extreme positions, position A and B, until all of its energy is converted into the frictional force, into the frictional energy, right? So that's how we say that the simple pendulum is one of the example to understand the concept of simple harmonic motion. I hope the concept is clear. Now in the next example we will be discussing the concept of SHM with the help of the ball and bowl examples. Okay, so now let's further understand the concept of SHM with another example, that is ball and bowl example. So here I have drawn the bowl in which we have placed a bob of mass M, which is ball, right? So we can see here at its mean position, at its center of the bowl, when this bowl is at its mean position, its motion is stationary. Why? Because the force which is acting downward is equal to the normal reaction. So the net force which is acting on this ball is 0, right? So when we tries to bring this ball towards position A, right, and then release it, what happens? This ball will start to move towards position O because of elastic restoring force, and it continues its motion from position O to another extreme position B due to gravitational force and due to inertial force, right? And when it arrives at position B, it stops for a while and it again starts to oscillate from position O to position A. So again it continues its to and fro motion from position A to position B until all of its energy is converted due to friction. So hence we can say that the ball and bowl is the example of simple harmonic motion. So thank you very much. I hope you have completely understood the concept of simple harmonic motion, which is the special type of vibratory motion having elastic restoring force. So we understood this overall essay law with the help of simple pendulum and ball and bowl example.